I have a quick tag I have to do for Wendy, so I thought this will be a great chance to shoot out the PSP Infinistrip versus the UAD SSL. And we're going to do it blind.
You're listening to The Dangerous Mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff. No excuses, no BS, no pants.
So I've split the output of the Soyuz 017 FED into two channels, one going through the PSP Infinistrip and the other going through the UAD SSL, followed by the UAD DFC and a De-esser. So what you're hearing right now is channel 2, and this is channel 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this tag. I'm going to cut it 3 times on each different channel. And then we're going to listen back, and we're going to pick which one we like better. And then I got to send it to the client, because this needs to be done like super fast. All right, so here we go. So this is channel 1, and I will reveal which is which at the end of the video. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Okay, so let's put these next to each other. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to normalize them both. Okay, hold on. I think I have to go in here. Okay, that's good. All right. All right, let's listen to this back. All right, so this is this is channel 1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. Brought to you by Wendy's Breakfast Biscuit Sandwich, just $1. All right, so which one did you like better? Or did you hear a difference? Or could you cut one in for the other if you had to? So this is really interesting because, of course, the PSP Infinistrip runs native. And the UAD SSL currently does not run native. It's not available yet, even though it should be soon with the UAD Spark system. And whether or not it will run at 0 latency native is yet to be seen. So, but the PSP Infinistrip, I cut through that 0 latency live, cut right through the plugin with the full tonality. So it's pretty neat. What do you think? I want to know. I don't know which one of these takes to send to the client. I got to figure this out. I got to send this off. So, hey, let me know what you think, all right? Leave it in the comments. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff, fading to black. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you which one's which. All right, channel 1 is the PSP Infinistrip. Channel 2 is the UA DSSL. So there you go. All right, later.